Are you tired of being stuck in low-res purgatory while all your friends are enjoying the gaming heaven? Well, it's time to level up your game with a pre-built gaming PC. No more sluggish performance or outdated graphics, my friend. With a pre-built gaming PC, you can enter the realm of the latest and greatest gaming titles with jaw-dropping visuals and unbeatable speed. Plus, you can customize your rig to fit your needs and budget. In this video, we'll discuss the best pre-built gaming PC options available so you can make an informed decision and get the most out of your gaming experience. Get ready to dominate the virtual world like a boss. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. HP Victus 15L, our pick for best budget pre-built gaming PC. Introducing the HP Victus 15L, your wallet-friendly gaming companion that doesn't skimp on the fun. Sure, it may not have all the bells and whistles like its high-end counterparts, but that's what makes it so darn charming. Think of it as the scrappy underdog of gaming PCs, compact, affordable, and ready to surprise you. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the components. Are they top of the line? No. But who needs all that fancy stuff anyway? The Victus 15L is all about getting the job done without emptying your pockets. Plus, it's perfect for those of us with limited desk space. It's like the Mary Poppins of gaming computers, small but mighty. And here's the juicy bit. We put this bad boy to the test, and it didn't disappoint. With a little tweaking of the settings, the Victus 15L delivered solid 1080p performance. Oh, and did we mention the abundance of ports? It's like a treasure chest of connectivity options just waiting for you to dive in. Whether you're a competitive gamer or just looking for an affordable way to dip your toes into the gaming world, the HP Victus 15L has your back. So what are you waiting for? It's time to level up with a computer that's as savvy as it is budget-friendly. The HP Victus 15L, gaming greatness minus the hefty price tag. Number 4. Corsair Vengeance i7400, our pick for best pre-built gaming PC for content creator. Level up your gaming experience with the Corsair Vengeance i7400, the ultimate choice for serious gamers and Twitch rockstars. This beast is loaded with the powerful GeForce RTX 4080 graphics card, a whopping 32GB of RAM, a massive 2TB SSD, and an Intel Core i7 processor that's so capable, it could beat you at chess blindfolded. With the Vengeance i7400, you don't just dominate the gaming world, you conquer it. Editing thumbnails? Piece of cake. Rendering videos? Done in a blink. Running gaming and streaming apps at the same time? Child's play. This machine laughs at your puny multitasking needs. But it doesn't stop there. With this bad boy, you'll have all the storage space you need for your expanding game library and your raw and edited files. No more deleting precious memories to make room for the latest releases. It's time to hoard, my friend. And for those of you who crave more power, the liquid cooling system of the Vengeance i7400 will keep your CPU from melting under the pressure of your overclocking obsession. So if you're serious about gaming, streaming, and slaying dragons, the Corsair Vengeance i7400 is your knight in shining armor. Get ready to dominate the virtual world like never before. Game on, my friend! Game on! Still searching for the perfect pre-built gaming PC? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Alienware Aurora R15, our pick for best Alienware pre-built gaming PC. Introducing the Alienware Aurora R15, the gaming PC that's out of this world. With its jaw-dropping power and superior gaming capabilities, it takes the gaming experience to new dimensions. Sure, it may not be your typical PC design, but hey, who wants to blend in with the crowd anyway? Equipped with an RTX 4090 Intel Core i9 by Tiana 13 x 600K and an impressive 32GB DDR5 RAM, This beast of a machine can tackle any game you throw at it. From Baldur's Gate 3 to Cyberpunk 2077, it handles them all with ease. It's like having a lucky charm by your side, rolling natural 20s during benchmarking like it's no big deal. Of course, no spaceship is perfect, and the R15 does have a few quirks. The plastic shell may not be everyone's cup of tea, but that's what makes it stand out from the mundane crowd. Just keep in mind that when the temperature rises or falls, you might hear some mysterious noises. Now, let's talk about upgradability because that's where it gets a little tricky. The R15's unconventional motherboard limits your RAM options, so if you're a fan of customization, you might be slightly disappointed. So, if you're ready to embark on a gaming adventure that's truly out of this world, strap in and take off with the Alienware Aurora R15. Number 2. Lenovo Legion Tower 5i, our pick for best gaming PC for most people. Enter the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i, the superhero of mid-range desktops. While we wish it had a USB-C port that doesn't play hide-and-seek and could do without some pesky bloatware, this powerhouse's performance will blow your tech-loving mind. Prepare it to have your gaming socks knock it off in 1080p glory. This bad boy can handle AAA games on high settings with the finesse of a ballerina and the strength of a bodybuilder. Seriously, we tested it, and the performance barely breaks a sweat. Well, except when ray tracing and VRAM intensive tasks like motion blur step into the ring. Then, just like watching a superhero movie, you might witness a bit of screen tearing. But here's the kicker. This sleek machine isn't just a beauty on the inside. No, siree! The Legion Tower 5i knows how to make an entrance. With its stunning front, top, and rear vents. Not only is it keeping your components cool as a cucumber, but it's also showing off some serious RGB lighting. So if you're ready to unleash some serious gaming power without breaking the bank, the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is here to save the day. Get ready to conquer the virtual world like a true hero and make your friends green with envy. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Acer Predator Orion 7000, our pick for best 13th Gen pre-built gaming PC. Get ready to level up your gaming experience with the Acer Predator Orion 7000. This beast of a pre-built gaming PC has established itself as a top contender in the gaming world. And now, with its latest edition, Acer has upped the ante with a brand new motherboard that can handle the immense power of the latest 13th Gen Intel processors. Talk about being ahead of the game. But Acer didn't stop there. They've future-proofed the internals of the Orion 7000 by equipping it with NVIDIA's RTX 40 series, DDR5 compatibility, and a range of configurations to fit different budgets. Now, let's talk performance. We got our hands on the version with an RTX 4090 and an unlocked 13th Gen Intel Core, i9 13900KF CPU, and boy, was it a powerhouse. But here's the thing, my fellow gamers, this beast does come with a catch. The fans? Oh, the fans. They might need a little upgrade to keep the components cool because, let's face it, they can get as loud as a stampede of angry elephants. And nobody wants noise pollution to ruin their gaming session, right? So, if you're ready to take your gaming up a notch and have the budget for it, go ahead and splurge on this gaming beast. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best pre-built gaming PC. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which pre-built gaming PC you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.